Hello everyone, so this is a short demo to show you how to build a live translator from French to English using the tool that we have here at Telnyx. So first thing I will do is I will create an assistant which I will call live translator. For this experiment we will use the model 3.170b from Metayama. We will give it these instructions, which basically tells it to first assess with me which language it would like to translate to and from, and then once it's okay, everything I said in one language, it will repeat it in the other one. So here we have created the assistant. We get some ID. So from there, we are going to build a TextML bin so we can attach it to our call. So we will find that into settings and we'll create a new TextML bin. So the TextML bin is a way for us to have a TextML solution that is hosted on Telnyx. So we will have this file being hosted on Telnyx side. As you can see, I gave it my assistant ID. I selected the transcription model I want to use. I use this one because it's multilingual. Then I need to give it a name. So let's call it live translator test, for example. Let's copy this URL. Now we will create a TextML application, so it will receive our call. So let's call it live translator, and we will say like it's a TextML bin. I want the live translator TextML bin. So I want the TextML bin. Now let's call it live translator test, for example. This is a zip subdomain that I can use to call my test. So let's save that. I don't need an outbound profile now, neither a number, because I'm going to use the zip subdomain. So now let's try to call this assistant that we've been making, and let's see what it says.
Hello, can you tell me which languages you would like me to translate between?
Hello, can you translate from French to English?
I'll be translating from French to English. Please go ahead and start your conversation.
Bonjour, comment ça va?
Hello, how are you?
Je suis heureux d'être ici.
I am happy to be here.
Quel temps fait-il aujourd'hui?
What is the weather like today?
Et voilà.
There it is.
Okay. So here you can see like how easy it is to make like this kind of application. Which basically, just as a summary, we created an assistant which we added to a TextML file. This TextML file, we saved it inside the TextML bin, and we attached this TextML bin to our TextML application, which we just call afterwards. And that's it. Thank you for your time. Have a good day.